Morning everyone, it's another glorious day in London. Weather's great. Today we're going to be showing you how to make nam jim. Nam jim just means dipping sauce. In Thailand they've got so many different variations for different things. This one is your basic standard one for things like spring rolls, fried chicken, all of the good stuff. So if that sounds good to you, and it does, stick around.
Okay, good morning. Today I'm going to show you how to make sweet chili sauce. Or the ingredient, look at 4 pieces of sweet chili, 2 tablespoons of salt, 500 grams of sugar, 1 can of pineapple chunk, 700 ml of sweet and sour plum sauce, 1 liter of white vinegar. Okay, now we first start. We boil vinegar and the plum sauce together. We pour a white vinegar into the pot. With the low heat. And 500 grams of sugar. And stir together, and 2 tablespoons of salt. Yeah, with the medium heat until this one boiling. Yeah, you leave it about 20 minutes until you can see this one is quite thick, and then you pour sweet and sour plum sauce. Yeah, you can see a little bit frost on top, right? You just take it out and throw it. Oh, maybe. Yeah, okay. Now you can see a little bit thicker, right? And then we blend pineapple and sweet chili together. Okay, now we blend pineapple and sweet chili together until very, very fine. Okay, now you can see very, very fine. And you pour into the pot. And then you pour sweet and sour plum sauce together. Okay, with the low heat, medium heat, not very low, medium heat, and leave it about half an hour or 45 minutes. Yeah, just leave it. After 10-15 minutes, the sauce start to get thicker. You look at the color change a bit. See? Yeah, and leave it another 10-15 minutes, and you stir it again. You can see this getting thicker and thicker. Now you can see very thick, and the color turn to golden brown. Yeah. After you boil it, this sauce reduced to I think about half. That's why you can see the thickness you want, like this. That's it.
So here's the nam jim popia. We got some nice popia here to eat with it. See little flecks of red chilies. Wow. Wow. It's a good sauce. Alright guys, so that's it for this week. We'll see you again next Tuesday. So enjoy your weekend, stay safe, hit like, subscribe, and bang that bell. It really does help. So take care. Bye.